Greetings to you. The health of the vertebral column and the spinal cord are most important for our health. It is said our biological age depends on the health of our spinal column. It is the multifaceted, multi-lane superhighway, the expressway of health. The spinal column has a natural double S curvature which is disturbed with the incorrect practice of sitting, standing, walking, and even sleeping. It is a common sight to see youngsters, middle-aged men and women with hunchbacks due to the burden of the backs, the haversacks. Any unnatural spine posture puts pressure on the disc, the nerves that flow through the spinal columns, and is a cause for muscle spasms and backaches. In this session, we will cover some yogic practices to release the tensions and unnatural pressure in the spinal column, improve blood circulation, and better flexibility of the spinal column. We will do a combination of static and dynamic stretching and twisting exercises. It is necessary that the stomach is empty, that is, you should not have had any food for the past 2.5 hours at least. Please avoid the practices in case of vertebral and disc disorders, in case of existing acute back problems, hernia, ulcers, vertigo, abdominal inflammation. We will show the exercises in a standing position with a student demonstrator. Remove any tight belt or waistband you are wearing, otherwise it will cause discomfort in exercising. Forward and backward dynamic bending. Stand straight with feet 6 inches apart, toes facing outward. Breathe in, raise hands. Breathe out, bend forward, take the hands at the back with the easy motion. Breathe in, raise hands. Breathe out, back. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Hands down. Relax. Side dynamic twisting. Stand straight with feet 6 inches apart, toes facing outward. Breathe in, raise hands sideways. Exhale, twist waist to the left. Right hand on the left shoulder. Inhale, come to the center. Exhale, twist waist to the right. Left hand on the right shoulder. Inhale, exhale. Stop, hands down, relax. And twisting, stand with feet 3 to 4 feet apart, toes facing outward. Inhale and stretch hands sideways. Exhale, bend forward. Try to touch the left foot with the right hand, right foot with the left hand. Left, right, left, right. Left, right. Inhale, come up, hands down, feet together, relax. Inhale and raise the hands up. Exhale and forward, bend from the waist, bend to the extent of a capacity. Hold for 2 or 3. Inhale, up. Exhale, down, hold it, breathe normally. Inhale, up, hands down, close your eyes, relax. Ardha Chakrasana. Ardha means half, Chakra means wheel. In the posture, the body takes the shape of the half wheel by backward bending. Stand straight, feet about 2 inches apart. Support the back at the waist with the palms, fingers pointing downwards. Drop the head backwards. Feel the stretch at the neck muscles. Inhale and bend backwards from the lumbar region. The legs are firm. Hold the position for 3 to 5 normal breaths. Inhale and come back to the straight initial position. One more time, drop the head. Inhale and bend backwards from the lumbar region. Hold the position. Come back to this initial straight position. Drop the hands to the sides. Close the eyes and relax. This exercise can help in cervical spondylitis. Ardha Kati Chakrasana, which is a half wheel formed with a lateral bending to the spine. It is not forward bending, but a lateral bending of the spine. Stand straight with feet together. Slowly raise your left arm. When the left arm is at the shoulder level, turn the palm to face upwards. Continue to raise arm with a deep inhalation. Stretch, bend to the right side. Left palm facing the right. Left arm touching the ear. Give a nice stretch. Feel the stretch. Your right hand is loose. Hold the position for 3 to 4 breaths. Then slowly start the return journey. Slowly the return journey. Turn your palm, hands down. Slowly raise your right hand. Palms turn upwards. Raise it again up. Stretch it up. Slowly turn. Your left hand is loose. Give a nice stretch to the lateral. Stretch, stretch, stretch. Hold the position. Slowly come up. Slowly. Hands slowly down. Turn your palm. Hands down. Close your eyes and relax. Remember that after every exercise, you should relax and feel the effect of the exercise. The exercises of the spine are beneficial to strengthen the spinal muscles, to make the spine flexible, activate the spinal nerves. These exercises also help in reducing fat in the waist region and the functioning of the abdominal muscles and organs. The backward bends lead to the opening of the rib cage, improving the breathing capacity and reducing the forward hunches, leading to a better posture. The forward bends also strengthen the calf, thigh and waist muscles. Spine-related exercises have multifold benefits, and spending time doing them for 10 to 15 minutes at least will keep the expressway of your nerves, your spine and your health in better shape. Thank you for watching and learning.